start taking the seats out, seat belts, take all the trim off around the doors, get this carpet out, show you guys what that looks like. Well, that's what it looks like when you strip it all down. So what I'm going to do is clean all that up. Seats I'm not going to worry about. I got another set I'm going to most likely use. And the carpet, since you can't really buy new carpet, I've always pressure washed it with degreaser, and it actually works pretty good. It takes a while because there's so much dirt packed in there, but I'll show you guys that process too, and it comes out looking really nice actually. So I went through, vacuumed it all out. Next what I'll do is just take, this is just simple green degreaser, and you just spray it, get a bucket of water with a rag and wipe it up. Do that until it's clean. Really doesn't take a whole lot. So you do that, and then we'll pressure wash the carpet, clean up all the interior trim pieces, and put it back together. First round done. That's how the water is. It's already looking better. So I'm just going to do that a few times. The last time, just go over it with straight water, no degreaser, try to get all that degreaser out of there. Then you definitely want to let it air out for a while. Let it dry out before you put your carpet back in. Today we're going to tackle this carpet. See how clean we can get it. So I'm just going to start vacuuming it all. I don't want all that glass all over the driveway. So vacuum it, and then we're going to get some degreaser, get the pressure washer, and see what we can do. I'll show you guys in a sec here what it looks like after I vacuum it, and then we'll get pressure washing. Alright, there's the vacuum. Already looks better. There's a lot of crusties in there. So what I'm going to use is just some degreaser. I'll link it down in the description. So if you want some of this stuff, you can pick it up. It's pretty good. You just mix it half and half with water, and then squirt it all over everything and pressure wash it. And you'll probably have to do that 4 or 5 times just to get it real clean, because that dirt's been in there for a very long time. So we'll see what we can do. Alright, so let that soak in for a little bit. I'm gonna get the pressure washer ready and we'll hose her down. Got the first wash job done. It's already looking 1,000 times better than it did. So I'm just going to repeat that process a couple times until it's clean enough. You can see when you're washing and all the dirt, brown, black crap coming out. So I'm just going to keep washing until I really don't get much more coming out of it. So hose it down again with the degreaser, let it sit for a bit, and then we'll pressure wash it again. Well, here's how it looks after I think 3 or 4 pressure wash degreaser jobs. Turned out pretty good. So I'm just going to hang it up on some sawhorses and let it dry out. See how it looks when it's all dried. I'm sure there's going to be some stains in it still, but it looks a million times better than what it did. So that's the process to clean carpet.